Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do the parallel park. So we're going to use that red car to do the parallel park. So the first thing we're going to do is get into gear. We're going to do our 6-point check, and then we're going to move alongside this red car so about a door length away from him, nice and straight. So we're just going to position the car like we're driving down the road. Okay, that's it, and we're nice door length away from them. Right, so into reverse gear, 6-point check. We're going to move back slowly until the cars are aligned together, so the back of our car, and on this occasion the front of this car, but it doesn't really matter which way it's turned round. Okay, so we're going to do a 6-point check again before we move, and this time we're going to turn the wheel one full turn to the left. Right, so we're going to keep coming back until the triangle disappears around about there. Okay, so I'm going to check again, and this time I'm going to do 2 full turns to the right. Try to generally do the turns quickly. That's it. We'll just stop for any cars, any pedestrians, any cyclists that are around us. Got a couple of cars, I've got some pedestrians behind me, so I'm just going to wait for them to get out of the way. Got that runner on the left as well. Once they're all out of the way safely, we can carry on. So 6-point check again, that's it. We're going to move nice and slow. We're going to keep coming back until the car lines up with the pavement on the left. You can see it's starting to line up in the camera there. And once it's aligned, it's one full turn back to the left, and then we're done. That's it. So we're nice and straight to the red car in front. We're about a drain's width away from the left, which is perfect, and that is good enough. So then we can just secure the car, and then we're done. That's it. Easy as that. So I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you again in the next video.